Now let's see the question number 6. A wave pulse is traveling on a string with a speed v towards the positive x direction. The shape of the string at t equal to 0 is given by gx equal to a sin x upon a, where capital A and small are constant. What are the dimensions of capital A and small a? And the B part they're asking, write the equation of wave for a general time t if the wave speed is v. So in this sum, gx is equal to a sin x upon small a. This is the equation given. Since we can write gx as y, or y is a function of gx, so y equal to a sin x upon a. Now in the first part of the question, they are asking the find the dimension of capital A and dimension of small a. So take dimensional both sides of the given equation. So dimension of y must be equal to dimension of capital A and dimension of sin x by a. Now since any trigonometric term is dimensionless, trigonometric, exponential, logarithm, all these are dimensionless, so this part will become dimensionless, and dimension of y will be L, length, because it shows the displacement. So this will be equal to a, and this is dimensionless. So dimension of a, what we got? Dimension of a we got L, or we can also write this in this form, m0 L1 T0. Now in the second part of the same question, they are asking the dimension of small a. Now see here, x by a. What is x by a here? X by a is the angle, and angles are dimensionless. So again we can say that the ratio x by a is angle, and angle are always dimensionless. So it will be dimensionless only when the dimension of x will be same as the dimension of a. So we can say from here, dimension of x must be same as the dimension of a. Now again x is distance here, so again dimension formula of a will become L, that is the dimension of x, or we can also write this in this form, m0 L1 T0. Now in the B part of the question, we have to write the equation of the wave for a general time t. So here is a concept that if y equal to fx represents the shape of the string at t equal to 0, or displacement of different particles at t equal to 0, or the equation of displacement curve of wave pulse at t equal to 0, then y as a function of x plus minus bt represents the equation of the wave for a general time t, or equation of displacement curve for wave pulse. We will take plus sign if the wave is going towards negative x direction, and we will take minus sign if the given wave is going towards positive x direction. So in the given sum, what y we have given? Y is given as a sin x by a. So what will be the equation of wave for a general time t? So in place of x, we will replace x minus v by t, because the wave is traveling toward positive x direction. So the equation of wave will be y equal to a sin, replace x by x minus vt whole divided by a. So this is our equation of wave.